Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to turn off focus mode on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see right now, the focus mode is actually turned on my device. If you wanted to turn it off, what I need to do is I just need to go over here to the control center. And from here, what you need to do is you have to tap on this. Now, as you can see, these are the things in which I have turned it on to no disturb mode. So what I need to do is I just need to tap on it if I wanted to turn it off. When I tap on it, as you can see, it's actually gone from here over as well. And right now the focus mode is not there. So if I wanted to enable back, or if I wanted to use any kind of things, I have to go back, tap on this, and I have not only the do not disturb mode, I have various options like sleep, personal, work, etc. You can do it as per your need, and this is what we have to do. So let me turn it off once again, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.